I generated 104,768 website leads and I didn't spend a single dollar on ads. And let me show you exactly how I did this. So here's some proof right here. You can see right there 104,768 leads that went into my email autoresponder. So these aren't people that are bouncing off my website. These are literally people that are entering their details to find out more. And that's the most powerful thing that you can do for your business, your websites, your sales funnels. And I'm going to show you how in a second, right? This is me generating 599 leads in a single day. And here's me generating 741 leads, all without spending a single dime on ads. So how did I do this? So you probably already know that there are two main ways to get people to your sales funnels and your websites, right? There's the paid strategy where you would go to places like Facebook ads, Meta ads, Instagram ads, Bing ads, Google ads, stuff like that. And you would pay to get people to see the ads and then land on your website. And then there are free strategies. Now, I like free strategies because you can make so many more mistakes. You don't have to spend money, and it's really all about effort. And when you understand how to go viral, that's how you can generate hundreds of thousands of leads and a lot of sales on the back end for your business, okay? So I'm going to reveal 3 of my top strategies today, and you can literally just model them, all right? So the first one that I use is I use Instagram, okay? Instagram is a very, very powerful way to get people to find you, see your stuff, get attention, all right? And then we'll move on to the 2 other strategies. So let me show you first of all how Instagram would work. So first of all, go and create yourself an Instagram account. It's very easy. You just go to instagram.com, create something new, make sure you've got a nice, profile picture, and then make sure you tell people exactly what you do, okay? The right profile is important, all right? So the results that you've had in your business, what do you actually do and who do you help? And then how can people find out more information about you? And this would basically go straight to my landing page or my capture page where I can capture somebody's email, all right? Because we want people to not just bounce off our website. We want to be able to collect an email lead so that we can follow up with them automatically, build a relationship with them, and then recommend them our products and services that we are promoting, right? So for me, I like to focus on digital products, but you can literally use this strategy for selling any sort of product or service, whether it's a digital product, a physical product, it's your own product, it's somebody else's product, it's a joint venture, it doesn't really matter, all right? But what's important is basically getting people to find you, right? So on Instagram, it works like this, all right? So basically I'm creating content in my space because I'm in the business space. I teach people how to generate more income with digital products, right? So I'll create a lot of content that basically talks about that. It teaches people, it educates people, it exposes, right? It shows people that this is one of the ways that you can make money outside of your full-time job. Like you don't always need a salary. You can build a business online, you can do it from home, and these are kind of the instructions on how it works. So the videos that I create are a combination of educational, inspirational, motivational, and instructional, all right? Literally teaching people how to do that, right? And the way that you would get a lot of views on Instagram, and this is very, very important, a lot of people make this mistake, is that you cannot stick to one format, right? If you go to a lot of people's Instagram channels, you'll see that for example, everything just kind of looks like this, It might just be one format, like a B-roll and then lots of text, and that's all they do. Now, you don't want to do that because when you first start a brand new Instagram channel, Instagram is not going to really give you that many views. There's something called the 300 view jail that a lot of people get stuck in. And the reason why they get stuck in it is because they're not testing viral formats. They're not trying different things. They're always doing the same thing over and over and over again, hoping that the more videos they upload, the better results that they're going to get over the long term. Well, that's not how it works, okay? Especially on Instagram, what you need to do is you need to go out there and research the top performing formats, and then you need to model them and keep testing aggressively different formats. So if you look at my page, you'll see that there's a lot of different formats here. This is one format, this is another format, this is another format, this is another format. It's literally a different format almost every single day, right? I'm not doing the same thing because I'm testing different things and I'm seeing what works. Now, once I find something that works, for example, like this one that got 12,000 views, I'm going to redo that format over and over and over again, okay? And then so you find maybe 5 to 10 formats that work, and you just stick to those 5 to 10, but it takes a little bit of effort to get there, right? And the way that you find these formats is all you do is you just come to the explore page on the left-hand side here, and you go through all the different videos, and it doesn't matter if it's in your niche or outside your niche, but you just want to find formats that work well, okay? That are getting at least 500,000 to 1 million views, and then what you want to do is you want to model them, convert them for your niche, and then just test and test and test aggressively, all right? So this is the first strategy that I use Instagram. It's very powerful. The quality is very, very high. So make sure you start Instagram today. The second way that I generated these leads for free is I use TikTok. Okay, as you can see, I like some of the biggest social media platforms in the world because they're powerful. When you understand how to leverage them and get in front of people, then you can generate a lot of website visitors, a lot of leads, a lot of sales for your business. All right, so I'm going to head to my TikTok page right now and show you exactly how this works. Now, TikTok is a little bit different from Instagram in the sense that you can do whatever you want. I mean, you can do exactly what I showed you on Instagram just now and test a lot of different formats. But what I found that has worked a lot for me on TikTok is mainly talking head videos. Okay, so yes, you can do other stuff, but I found that it doesn't work as well for some other videos. But for some reason, people like talking head videos. Now, of course, you still have to understand how to do them well, right? But the way that you can go viral on TikTok is obviously you want to teach, you want to train, you want to give value, you want to educate, right? You want to entertain. But the style is basically a talking head. So if we looked at, for example, this talking head video right here.
I woke up tomorrow and my bank account.
I'm going to give you the general structure of it. So the first thing you need to do is you need a lot of movement. Okay, so don't put your camera on a tripod and talk to it because it's too static. You want to hold your phone in your hand. That is the best way so that there's a lot of movement. Because remember, on social media, it's very, very competitive. Okay, people have very short attention spans. So if it's not moving, if it's very static and boring, people are going to just swipe past you, right? The second thing you need to have is you need to have a very good hook on the top. That is going to be about the thing that you're going to talk about in that video, but it doesn't have to be exactly the same thing that you're going to say in the first 2 seconds. As long as it's around the same, idea as that you're going to talk in the video, that's fine. But it needs to be interesting, okay? So you can ask ChatGPT for a few ideas based on the video that you're going to write or you're going to record. But it is important to have a good hook right at the start, all right? Like this, okay? If I wanted to make millions, I'd only sell this. So I'm creating a lot of curiosity. Oh, sorry.
So you're telling me that 90% of people consume... It's strange to me that not more people know. Stop. If I wanted to make millions...
So for example, this video right here, if I wanted to sell millions, I'd only sell this, right? So I'm creating a lot of curiosity. I'm saying, hey, I want to make millions, but I would only sell this, and then I don't reveal it, right? So that generates curiosity, and this video did very, very well. And it got almost 4,000 likes, 900 comments, 1,159 saves. That's a good video right there, okay? So if you're uploading 1 or 2 of these every single day, that is giving advice, educating, entertaining, teaching people about your particular space, and you're going viral or you're getting thousands of views, then you just lead people back to your bio where you're going to have your website link. They can click on it, then they can land on your website, they can enter their lead on your website, and that's how you can start generating leads with TikTok, okay? Again, it's very, very similar to Instagram. You got to test different hooks, you got to test different angles, and you have to be consistent. You got to upload every single day. Now, the last strategy that I use to generate over 100,000 leads that you saw earlier is Facebook, okay? And a lot of people think that Facebook is dead because it's been around for a very long time, but it is really not dead. When you understand how to build your profile and share content, it is a great place to generate a lot of website visitors, a lot of leads, all right? So this is my Facebook right here, and this is my main profile. This is not actually a Facebook fan page. It's actually my profile. And you can see right here that I've got almost 300,000 followers, which is mad. I mean, I had 3,000 followers for 15 years. And then in the last less than a year, I've generated over almost 300,000 followers, which is bonkers, okay? So what I have here is very similar to Instagram. I tell them a little bit about myself. I'm an ex-corporate slave. This is the result that I've gotten, right? And then this is where they can go to get started, right? So you should set up your profile that's quite similar to this because this is how you're going to get people to find your website. But then what you need to do is you need to basically upload content every single day like I'm doing right here, right? Now, the thing about Facebook that is a little bit different from TikTok and Instagram is that you have to create content that is interesting and you need to upload volume, all right? So it's not about uploading 1 or 2 pieces of content a day. It's about uploading 20 to 30 a day, right? And what you can do with Facebook is you can schedule them out. So if I was to, for example, do a post right here, I can click on this. I can add, a piece of content. So let's just say what's on my mind today. Take massive action every day. Okay, and then I press next, and then you can just schedule it directly here. You see scheduling options, right? So I can make it, 1 hour from now, and then, so if I'm going to schedule out 20 posts, I would do one every single hour, right? And then it will automatically kind of upload every single hour. And that's basically how you get it to schedule it out. But Facebook is really about volume, right? Initially when you first start, because it's all about getting people to find your stuff, liking it, commenting on it, and then sharing it. Sharing it is the way that you're going to get a lot of exposure. If you're only sharing to, let's say, your 500 friends, it's not going to go very far, right? So it's about doing it consistently, getting lots and lots of people to see your stuff. And then what happens is more and more people share, 87 comments, 9 shares, 200 likes, that kind of thing. And the more that people share, the more that other people will see it, the more people will find your profile, the more people will come to it right here, all right? And then they will follow you, and they will also check out what you're a little bit more about, and then they will land on your website and you'll generate a lead right there, okay? Now, the content that works really well with Facebook is visuals like this. Again, it can be any industry, right? You can be promoting some sort of, SaaS or dog training, or, teaching people how to get six-pack abs. As long as the image is teaching that particular thing, then it's a good thing. Another thing that you can do is straight up videos. So I use some of my TikTok videos on here and my Instagram videos as well, right? To, again, generate that authority, teach people as well. And then I like doing posts like this, where there is a good headline on the front, but in order for them to get more info, they have to check the comment section. So it makes them stop and makes them pause, right? And they have to click on it to read the actual instructions, and then they can leave their comments as well. And that drives again, more engagement on your platform, and that's how people will share it. That's how Facebook sees that it's a good post, and it says, this is a good post, I'm going to give it more exposure, and that's how you get even more people seeing your stuff and more leads. So those are my 3 strategies that I use to generate over 100,000 leads, and you can do exactly the same thing. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm always coming up with content like this that shows you how to generate more leads, more sales, and more money for your particular business. And if you want to learn exactly how to turn leads into sales, because a lot of people don't know how to do that, right? I specialize in digital products, and I've made over $2.5 million using this particular strategies. So if you want to learn how to do that step by step, I've got instructions right below in the comment section. There's my masterclass right there, which you can check out. I hope you enjoy this today, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.